Hi, this is Kevin with Naples Lawn Service, and today we're going to be doing a video on a Stihl MS 271 Farm Boss chainsaw. Okay, so we're doing a video today on this MS 271 Farm Boss made by Stihl. As you can tell, it's not brand new. It's had a lot of usage, but we've had it many years, and it's been really good. It can be used for felling trees, uh, storm cleanup, firewood cutting, whatever you want. This firewood we cut up with an axe, and we also did an axe video if you want to check out our axe video. But prefer using the chainsaw whenever we can. And this is made by Stihl, and this can come in an 18 or a 20 inch. I got prices on those right now. The prices are $529 for an 18 inch and $569 for a 20 inch. And what they're talking about here is this chain length and this bar. Um, so if you could swap them out if you wanted to, but that's the 18, 20 inch, the bar and the chain. Um, we use this around the house quite a bit for uh, cutting up firewood. It does get cold down here in South Florida, so we have a fireplace, and we like running that fireplace whenever we can. It gets down in the 30s easy, sometimes 20s, and a lot of times 40s during the winter months. So we do like cutting up firewood. Okay, so these are made in America. They weigh 12 pounds and they run on gas. And don't forget, you got to use mixed gas. You got to mix your oil with your gas and then put it in there. If you try running this without mixed gas, you're going to burn up the engine. So mixed gas is not a problem. You go buy a 1 gallon gas can at the store or on the internet, whatever, and they sell these little bottles. And this is already made to mix with 1 gallon. So you buy the 1 gallon little orange mixes, and you buy your 1 gallon can, and you just pour this in the 1 gallon can, fill it up with 1 gallon, and then you're already pre-mixed for next time. So that's the easiest way to do that. And these are only like $2 a piece, and these are made by Stihl also. All right, so right here is where you're going to add your gas. This little black flips up here. You take it off, fill your gas, put it back on, flip down this little black lever, and make sure those are always on tight. This is where you're going to put in your gas, and then you got to have oil here. This is for the chain. This is bar oil. You can get this at any of your uh, hardware stores. Just bar and chain oil. Doesn't have to be brand name, but you just take this cap off. Same thing. You're just going to take this off there and fill up your bar oil. That way, when your chain's running, it's going to squirt out a little bit of tiny oil on that chain to keep that chain lubricated, because you want to make that chain and bar last as long as you can. That's your main wear items. This bar right here, this is like, I think it's $60, $70 for that bar. It'll wear out every now and then. It's got a little sprocket down here that spins around. It's right under the chain. And when that sprocket stops spinning and the chain locks up, then you got to replace this bar right here. And so this we won't have to do too often. The chain more so, but the chain there is another wear item. It will wear out, and you can replace that chain very easily. But that's your two most common things that you would be replacing. We've had other chainsaws that were less expensive made by Stihl, and I seem to have a lot of maintenance issues with those. And once I went to the Farm Boss, never had any more maintenance issues other than the usual wear items. Now these come with a tool, and one more wear item that you might have, won't be too often, but there's a little clutch in here. And so you just put this tool on they give you, crack those nuts, spin them off by hand after, and this cover comes right off here. This is also how you change out your bar and your chain. Right here, there's a little C-clip, and this is your clutch, and you just pop that C-clip off, your clutch comes out, a new one goes in there, and you pop that C-clip back off. But you won't have to do that too often. The most thing is going to be your chain, second thing is going to be your bar, and the third thing will be your clutch. But we'll do a whole video on how to change out your chain, your bar, and your clutch. That'll be a separate video. I just wanted to inform you on that. Okay, now how you adjust this chain is what happens is this chain gets hot and it stretches. So the first time you use it, it's going to get hot, it's going to stretch. So you got to keep this tightened up to about like this. You want to pull on that chain, have a little bit of a gap there, but you don't want a lot. And you can't have it so tight it's not going to spin. So you want to have it about like that. And what you do is just crack these nuts right here with your tool. There's a little screwdriver slotted hole right here, and you see how that's got a plus. And that's how you tighten up that chain. You just turn that. That's going to pull it in, or if it's too tight, you're going to back it up. You're going to loosen it out there a little bit. And then when you get done with it, but you got to have these cracked first of all. And then when you're done, you're just going to go ahead and tighten those back up. That's how you're going to adjust the chain on this chainsaw and any other Stihl chainsaw I've ever used. It's all the same. But you do got to adjust that chain, and depending on how hot you're running this and for how long, that chain's going to stretch. And if you don't tighten it as you go, it's going to end up jumping off there on you. Okay, so another thing you're going to want to do is every now and then change your spark plug out and your air filter, and there underneath this orange cover, just use this star tool. This should have came with it right here. And go ahead and spin those off. And then that orange cover is going to pop off there. Okay, and this is your air filter, which looks like mine needs to be replaced right now. And here's where your spark plug is right here. Just going to pop that off and get to your plug. So every now and then, it's going to do that. Just change out your plug and change out your air filter. So the maintenance is really easy. You don't need to go taking it and dropping it off and waiting 3 weeks and being charged a lot of money. That's very easy stuff to do. Like I said, this Farm Boss, this was made for ranch and farms, but you can use it for whatever. This is the best chainsaw I've ever owned, the Farm Boss. Like I said, I've had the lesser expensive models by Stihl, but they just didn't seem to hold up or stay running or whatever the problem was. And I haven't ever had the more expensive models than this. But this MS271 Farm Boss, this is a really great model. You don't ever want to leave all that gas in there for too long. If you're all done using it for a few months or whatever, I usually just drain that gas out or dump it out, and then I'll go ahead and start it until it won't run. And that's the way I store them. That way you won't have carburetor getting gummed up issues. So I would always store it like that if you're not going to be using it too frequently. Okay, Joshua here is going to demonstrate how to start this chainsaw. You want to make sure that you squeeze that trigger, squeeze the trigger, and then that choke's going to go all the way down into the choke position. And now it's going to stay there until you get this thing running. You got choke, you got run, and you got off. So we're going to pull it a couple times on choke and see if it's going to start. If not, we'll put it to run. Now you heard that go rum like that. That means it's ready to go. So at this point, you got to take it off choke. You got to move it up to the run position. You don't want to over choke it. And there you go. Now we're going to go ahead and cut some of this oak. Cut it off. Okay, so that was about a 5-inch piece of oak or so. And you can see that went right through there. And it's no problem. You can sit here and run this thing all day like that. And now it's in the stop position, which is all the way up like that. And that's how you stop it. Always should have on some boots when you're doing stuff like this, some jeans, hat, glasses, all that good stuff. And there you have it. That's our video on our MS271 Farm Boss chainsaw. We're gonna have a lot more videos coming out on Stihl tools, and we've already got a lot out. If you want to look at our playlist, if you want to subscribe, that'd be great. And if you like it, please hit the like button. This is Kevin with Naples Lawn Service, and remember, In God we trust.